Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk to you about something we all share, something invisible but incredibly powerful, the human spirit. It's that voice inside you that whispers, try again when the world screams you cannot. It's that heartbeat that keeps going even when everything seems lost. It's that light that refuses to go out no matter how dark life becomes. We all fail, we all hurt, we all cry. But the true test of a human being is not how many times we fall, it's how many times we rise again. Life will test you. Life is not fair. It never was, and it never will be. It does not care how good you are, how kind you are, or how hard you work. Sometimes bad things happen to good people. You will be betrayed by friends you trusted. You will lose opportunities you prayed for. You will be broken by moments you will saw coming. But listen carefully. That's life's way of testing you. And life doesn't give easy exams to strong souls. When a storm hits, trees that have weak roots fall, but those with deep roots they bend, they shake, they lose a few leaves, yet they stand tall. So, when the storm of life hits you, don't ask, why me? Ask, what is this teaching me? Because every hardship, every heartbreak, every tear is shaping you into the person you are meant to be. The power of pain. Pain is not a punishment, it's a teacher. Pain teaches you empathy. Pain teaches you resilience. Pain teaches you what happiness truly feels like. When you touch fire, you learn not to touch it again. When you lose something you love, you learn to value what remains. When your heart breaks, you learn how to love more deeply next time. Every scare tells a story of survival, and behind every strong person, there is a story that breaks them bonds. Let me give you an example. Steve Jobs, a founder of Apple, he fired from his own company at the age of 30. Can you imagine? The man who built Apple was told he was not good enough for Apple. But instead of giving up, he used that pain as fuel. He started another company, Pexart, revolutionized animation, and later returned to Apple to build the iPhone, a product that changed the world. He once said, sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. And let's the key. Don't lose faith. Words have power. The words you speak to yourself matter more than everything else because your words shape your thoughts and your thoughts shape your future. If you keep saying, I cannot, your brain will believe you. But if you start saying, I will, the universe starts opening doors for you. Let's do something simple. Say these words with me. I am strong. I am capable, I am enough, I am rise. Now imagine saying these words to yourself every morning. Imagine what kind of person you would become if you replaced every I cannot with I will. Muhammad Ali, the greatest boxer in history, used to repeat one sentence over and over: I am the greatest. He said it before he became the greatest, and eventually he became exactly that. Because words have power, your voice has power, and your belief has power. Never compare your journey. One of the biggest reason people lose motivation today in comparison. You open social media and see others smiling, traveling, earning, succeeding, and you start to feel like you are falling behind. But what you don't see in their struggle, you don't see their sleepless nights, their failures, their pain. You are comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. Let me tell you something truthfully. Everyone is fighting a battle you cannot see. Some are battling exactly behind smiles. Some are fighting depression behind laughter. Some are trying to heal while pretending to be strong. So stop comparing. Your story is not meant to be the same as anyone else. If a flower doesn't look at the other flowers around it, it just blooms. So bloom where you are, what with what you have, and when it's your time, you will shine too. Believe in the power of one more try. Do you know what separates winners from losers? It's not talent, it's not luck, it's the courage to try one more time. When Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, when the Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, first started his business, his chicken recipe was rejected 1009 times. Imagine being told no over 1,000 times. Most people would have quit after 10 rejections, but he don't stop because he believed in his dream when nobody else did. And that's what you must do. Believe in your dream when nobody else does. Because every no brings you one step closer to a yes. Remember, failure is not falling down, failure is staying down. Forgive and move forward. One of the hardest lessons in life to forgiveness. Sometimes it's not other who hurt us, it's ourselves. We regret things we said, mistakes we made, and chances we lost. But holding on to guilt and anger only poisons your soil. Forgive others not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Forgive yourself because you were doing your best with what you know at that time. The past is a place to learn from, not a place to live in. You cannot change what happened, but you can always change what happens next. Small steps every day. People think success happens overnight. It does not. Success is built in silence, or small steps every single day. A writer writes one page a day. A bodybuilder trains 1 hour a day. A student studies one chapter a day. And one day, those small steps create something great. Consistency beats motivation every time. You don't always feel inspired, and that's okay. Do it anyway because discipline is stronger than motivation. Think of the word commitment. It means doing what you said you would do even after the feeling you had when you said it has faded. That's what builds greatness. Gratitude changes everything. Let me tell you a secret. Gratitude is the key to happiness. You cannot be both angry and grateful at the same time. You cannot be sad and grateful at the same time. Start each day with simple words. Thank you. Thank you for the breath in my lungs. Thank you for the roof over my head. Thank you for the people who care about me. When you start counting blessings, pain starts losing power. When you start focusing on what you have, but what you lack stops controlling you. Even in your darkest days, there's always something to be thankful for. Rise above fear. Fear is a liar. Fear tells you are not ready, not smart enough, not strong enough. But fear only has power if you listen to it. Courage doesn't mean you don't feel fear. Courage means you feel it, but you act anyway. Remember when you were a child learning to ride a bicycle? You fell, you cried, and you tired again until one day you were flying down the street with the wound in your hair. That's life. Falling is part of learning, but staying down is a choice. The world fears can stand for two things: forget everyone, everything and run, or face everything and rise. Which one will you choose? The power of hope. Hope is not weak. Hope is strength in disguise. Hope keeps you moving when logic says it's over. Think of a single candle in a dark room. That tiny flame doesn't remove the darkness completely, but it makes sure it's not pitch black. That's what hope does. Malala Yousafzai shot in the head of wanting education didn't stop. He rose stronger, speaking for millions of girls around the world. He said, "One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world." That's hope, believing that even one small action can make a difference. Your story is not over. You may be struggling now. You may feel like giving up. But let me tell you, your story isn't over yet. Every great movie has moments where the hero is broken, lost, and defeated. But that's not where the story ends, that's where the hero rises. And that's where you are right now in the middle of your story. You don't close the book, turn the page, and your next chapter might be the most beautiful one yet. You are stronger than you think. Let's pause and reflect. Think about all the times you thought you couldn't make it, but you did. Think about the nights You cried yourself to sleep, yet still woke up and faced another day. Think about the pain you thought would destroy you, but it only made wiser. Thanks, that's strength, that's courage, that's the human spirit. So promise yourself this today. I will not quit, I will not let pain define me, I will not let fear stop me. I will rise again. Because no matter how many times life pushes you down, you will rise stronger, you will rise braver, you will rise wiser. Because you are not ordinary, you are extraordinary. And one day, when you look back at this chapter of your life, you will smile and say, that what was the moment I found my strength. So, my friends, rise again, rise with courage, rise with hope, rise with love. Because your time is coming, your story is still being written, and the best chapter is yet to come. Thank you.